And Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said yesterday he was confident the European governments won't escalate tensions with the United States over Greenland.
Next, with Minnesota in the headlines, the Trump administration is touting the success of ongoing immigration enforcement operations.
We have the latest developments there as arrest numbers climb and state and federal officials remain at odds.
Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem says more than 10,000 criminal illegal immigrants have been arrested during immigration operations in Minneapolis. She said Monday 3,000 of those arrests occurred in the last 6 weeks. Many of the arrests came under Operation Metro Surge, which began in early December. DHS has released new information about criminals taken into custody during the operation. They include murderers, rapists, gang members, and perpetrators of fraud. At the same time, the Trump administration is appealing a federal court order limiting how officers can interact with protesters. A judge earlier restricted immigration officers from using pepper spray, non-lethal munitions, or crowd dispersal tools against peaceful protesters. The ruling says that trailing federal agents from a safe distance alone does not constitute reasonable suspicion to warrant a traffic stop. Shortly after this ruling, DHS said it was taking constitutional measures to uphold the rule of law and protect officers and the public from dangerous rioters. Minnesota's Attorney General says the order was an important win for Minnesotans to exercise their right to protest. Federal officials are also renewing criticism of Minnesota leaders for refusing to cooperate with ICE detainers. The DHS has called on Governor Tim Walz and Mayor Jacob Frey to honor arrest detainers for more than 1,300 criminal illegal immigrants in custody across the state. The DHS says hundreds of offenders have been released rather than transferred to federal custody. The immigration operation is unfolding alongside major federal fraud investigations in the state. Secretary Noem says investigators have uncovered at least $19 billion in alleged fraud. In a post on X, she called it just the tip of the iceberg, saying Homeland Security investigators are on the ground in Minnesota.